Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to your new market update this Saturday. Wanted to make a new market update today. I'll be back with another market update tomorrow, and then Monday, like I said yesterday as well, we will be on the regular schedule again with normal videos as well. And I still expect next week to be very, very volatile with a lot of moves. So hopefully we can catch some of these moves in the Signal group, and hopefully I can make some good videos about them. But in this video, and then we will also have better audio and better visuals again, because right now the light is so extremely bright, it's incredible, and the audio is also not great. But that will be fixed soon. All right, so bear with me right now. All right, but we'll talk about the markets. We'll talk about Bitcoin. We'll do a bit of an update on what I said yesterday. We'll talk about XRP briefly. And then I wanted to spend some more time talking about altcoins, because I actually do think that, if you know where to look, there's actually quite a few altcoin opportunities. So I wanted to talk about that and just in general give you a good overview of what's going on right now in the markets. So that's what we're going to do. So let's get started. And obviously hope you're having a good weekend. So since yesterday, Bitcoin has been able to actually hold the breakout. Yesterday we talked about, that we managed after some sort of a three drive pattern right here, that we managed to get a bullish reclaim with volume above this main support level, or at least I think this is the main support level between 83,000 and 82,000. And what I said is that, we need to hold that if we actually want to stay relatively stable. And if we want the highest chance to actually get some sort of a bullish move into 89, 90, and 91,000 again, because that is very much, at least for now, short term, the main price target and the main level we want to get to. So right now it's the weekend, all right? So in the weekend, I generally do not expect that much. So Bitcoin has been able to hold that level nicely, as you can see, since yesterday. Now, like I said, in the weekend, I don't really expect that many moves. I think the next big moves will come over the course of tomorrow evening, tomorrow afternoon, maybe. And then obviously, and that's what I said yesterday as well, then it just very much depends on the fundamental developments of next week, right? I mean, what you can see right now, and that's an altcoin I want to look at in a moment, so don't worry too much about that yet. But what you can see right now is that, if we take a look at some fundamentals here, the USDT especially is at a very, very strong resistance level here, as you can see. So I expect a rejection from that. And then outside of that, and we talked about this yesterday as well, I still think the dollar strength index, as you can see right here, has turned bearish, at least no longer bullish. So it's either going to turn into a range, which would probably mean that we are at the top of the range, or we will continue the downtrend, which both would mean a short-term bearish dollar strength index, which is both good news. And then we also have stock markets at support. Now, like I said, or at least as most of you know, it still very much depends on all the fundamental developments regarding the trade war and the actual war in Russia and Ukraine. I will try to keep you updated on that. I mean, obviously, this is not the best source for political content, but in regards to how it matters to the markets, I will inform you about that. So it still depends on that. But as it stands right now, and as the fundamentals and as these kind of macro fundamental indicators have closed on Friday, I would still say that I'm slightly bullish on the markets. I have also bought Bitcoin, so I might be actually I might be biased, but that's how I view Bitcoin for now. So I actually do think it's most likely we'll be able to find stability here on top of 82,000, and that we have a good chance to actually get that bullish move into 89,000, which would be my conservative price target. Now talking about XRP and then some altcoins. XRP also, as predicted, has been able to actually find some support and some stability. I don't expect that much movement from XRP on the short term. I mean, obviously, if we get some fundamental developments regarding the Ripple SEC case, that might actually create some bullish momentum. And then March the 7th, we also have that conference that was announced in the White House. So that might actually provide some bullish momentum as well. But at this point of time, that's non-existent, as you can see right here. So I expect stability. For now, I don't expect that we will drop down lower. But I also do not expect us, without any change in the fundamentals, to get back up to our main resistance level or our main price target at 2.5 and 2.6. Now, let's get to the most exciting part of the video, and that is altcoins. There's a couple of altcoins that I like quite a lot right now. First of all, Hedera has been quite strong for multiple reasons, but this actually has a very, very high ranking on the volume rankings, as you can see, especially over the last 24 hours or 16 hours or so. Volume has been very, very high. Personally, I'm waiting for either a retest of 22 cents. If that's strong, I might buy. Or, and that's for that we would need much more bullish momentum, a breakout above 25 cents. But definitely an interesting coin to keep your eyes on. Outside of that, two coins that are historically quite correlated, Celestia and Aptos, those are also quite interesting, both for longs and shorts. Celestia is at a very, very strong key level right here between 4.25 and 4.75. So if we're able to break above that with strength, it's a great long. If we get some sort of a weak move into 4.5, 4.75, that could be a great short. But in general, definitely a coin that's tradable. And Aptos, I'm looking for a potential long if we are able to break out of this range right here, which is very clear and all of you can see as well. And then outside of that, so the coin I looked at earlier, which looks quite bullish, is Grass. What you can see is that Grass is trying to break above this level right here between $2 and 2.2 on the daily time frame. If we're able to do that, that's actually a massive breakout back into a range which we were in 2024 as well, which is actually very bullish if we're able to get into that range. Definitely a coin to keep your eyes on. The volume for Grass, which we're looking at right now, give me a moment, is not that high. So I would like to see a strong retest from the support level right here between 2.2 and 2.1. But if we get that, seems like a good buying opportunity. And Grass has also been relatively strong right here, as you can see, for some time now. And then there's some other coins, kind of smaller coins like B3. Which is also listed on Coinbase, Sol Layer, or just Layer, that's the name of the ticker, that look quite interesting as well. But those are also coins I'll try to keep you updated on my X page and in my next videos next week. But that's at least what I think you need to know regarding the markets for now, for Bitcoin, XRP, and some altcoins. If you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. And for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.